Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deeper into firewall architectures, what they are look like in the real world and how they protect networks from external threats. So this is an example of real world firewall architecture. As you can see, it looks pretty complex, right? But don't worry, I will break it down for you step by step. In this diagram, we can see the structure of a typical enterprise network with multiple firewall routers and security zones like the DMZ. More on that in just a second. Here we have what's called a core switch. These are the backbone of your network, connecting all your devices and allowing communication between different parts of the network. These core switches can handle large amounts of traffic and play a key role in distributing data to the right places. Next, we have the internal router. This router connects the internal network with the firewall layers and controls the flow of data between different parts of the network, ensuring that traffic goes through the necessary security checks. So pointing to both the internal and external firewalls, here you can see two critical firewalls. First one is internal firewall and the second one is external firewall. The external firewall as the first line of defense, filtering traffic from the external network, the internet before it gets anywhere near you, your internal systems. And the internal firewall adds another layer of security by monitoring and filtering traffic between different zones within the network, especially when sensitive data or critical systems are involved. So next one is DMZ, that is a demilitarized zone. The area here is called the DMZ. It's special network segment designed to add an extra layer of security between the internal network and the outside world. It's where you place systems that needs to be accessible from the internet, like web servers or email servers. This way, even if an attacker compromises a server in the DMZ, they would not be able to get directly to your internal network. So inside the DMZ, we also have the IDS, that is the intrusion detection system. These systems monitor network traffic for signs of malicious activity, helping to detect potential attacks. And over here, we have the web server. These servers host your public facing websites and handle incoming requests from users on the internet. The DMZ ensures that even if a web server is compromised, the attacker can't easily move literally into your internal systems. Finally, we have the border router, which connects the internal network to the external network. This router is critical for managing traffic between your organization's private networks and the internet, that is public network. Think of it as the gatekeeper that makes sure traffic enters and exits the network securely. So as you can see, firewall architecture in real world network is a bit more involved than just placing a single firewall in front of your network. With multiple layers of security, firewalls, routers, and monitoring systems, a well-designed architectures like this helps ensure that sensitive information stays safe and that potential threats are stopped before they reach critical systems. That's it for today's video. I hope this breakdown helps you understand how different types of firewall come together in a network to protect against external threats. If you found this video useful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay secure.